We have an internet price increase for one cruise line out there. And is it possible that there's going to be a brand new cruise port coming for some folks in Florida? Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. I've got a couple of cruise news stories for you today. First off, we're going to talk about an internet price increase coming from Disney Cruise Lines. Now, Disney Cruise Lines, they've got two different internet packages on board you can get. They have their standard internet service, which is purchased in 24-hour blocks, and they have their premium surf and streaming internet available. Now, this is for one person for one device. They don't do multi-device packages or anything like that, not on Disney. But here in January 2026, they have kicked those prices up a little bit. 15% for one, 17% for the other. Your standard internet package has gone from $26 a day up to $30 a day. Your premium package was $42 a day and is now $49 per day. And the one thing about Disney Internet, it is some of the most expensive internet out there. Majority of cruise lines, they run anywhere, depending on the speeds that you get, $18 to roughly about $40 for some of the fastest, highest speed internet out there. So for their premium surf and streaming, starting at $49 per person per day. So yeah, it's definitely a little bit higher than some of the other cruise lines out there. Now, of course, you don't have to have Wi-Fi to cruise. It's not mandatory. It's not necessary. But if you do have an upcoming Disney cruise and you haven't purchased your Wi-Fi yet, you're going to be paying a little bit more. And there could be, right now it's just in the planning stage, a new cruise port coming for Tampa, Florida. They're going to relocate it, build a new one that would allow much larger cruise ships to embark and disembark in Tampa, Florida. So right now, the cruise port is past the bridge, the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. The cruise ships have to go underneath it in order to reach the cruise terminal, which means the ships got to be smaller. They can't be mega ships. They can't be Oasis class ships. They're too big. They are too tall. They won't fit under the bridge. So that does limit the cruise ships that can go in and out of Tampa right now. So right now, still in the planning phase, like I said, there is a 320-acre tract that they are looking at before the bridge. And if they get it all approved and everything goes through and this moves forward, that would mean you could get any size cruise ship, in theory, able to now embark and disembark in Tampa. Now, right now, it's still a big if. That's the key. It's an if. But if approved, 3 to 5 years before this would be up, running, and operational from now. Now, they still have to go through the zoning process. They still have to get the necessary approvals. It's still got to go out for public debate and opinion. It's still got to go before the county commissioners. They got a lot of work to do while still in the planning phase before they ever get to the approval phase. But I think this is a good thing. It's a heading in the right direction thing. Would allow the port of Tampa to grow. They can move it before the bridge. They can get bigger ships. They can get more cruise passengers. Of course, that is more jobs, more money into the local economy. But right now, just remember, it's a big if, but it definitely could happen in the next 3 to 5 years. But what do you guys think? How would you feel about the port of Tampa moving before the bridge and being able to take bigger and larger cruise ships? Do you think this is good? Do you think this is bad? Or do you just have no intention of sailing out of Tampa ever and it doesn't affect you? Let me know in the comments below. And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.